We're back, and look who's here. It's Jim. Jim, what do we got?
We got a bunch of Metro shelving here, but really what we're going to talk about is our new heated shelves. And
That's heated?
This is a heated shelf, and they're really designed to hold packaged meals. So takeout, delivery could be behind the counter, just waiting, or for customer facing. But you got pizza boxes, different type of takeout on the shelf, and our value really is to integrate it with our shelving and their Super Recta system. So it works on our posts, like you see. In this application, this is a workstation. So this is modeled after a pizza delivery station where the drivers are out delivering, the pizzas are staying warm here, he comes back in the back door, pulls his bag out, gets his delivery, takes it out the door, keeps him efficient. And so it's all about separating that takeout or delivery type of food and integrating with some sort of efficiency. So this is one solution we have. We have a couple other solutions we'll show you real quick.
Awesome. So is it just this depth that we have, or do we have different sizes? And
Good question.
Yeah.
So there's actually 18 different size shelves, starting with 3 different depths. So we have 14, which is this. We have an 18-inch depth, which is our most popular because it holds most types of food. And then we have a 24 because we do a lot of 24-inch shelving, and sometimes the bigger stuff, they need that. So it depends on what you're combining it with. 14's real great for over bridges and having a work surface underneath. And so you can put that food up here like you see.
all right, so with this, I see that we have 2 heated shelves here, but what if you just wanted like a wire rack with that? Is it still just go in the same post like a regular shelving?
It's compatible with it. Those are actually on the same post back there, but that's a good question because a lot of people will say, holding hot food's a great idea, but what do we do with the cold food or the ambient stuff that you don't want on a heated shelf? So that's one of our biggest values is we can put a wire shelf up here to put the drinks there and heat it below or vice versa, and kind of combine those orders and keep them together, which is a big thing for different people doing that type of business.
And in like this, they're independent of each other, so if you don't need one on, you don't have to have it on.
Yeah, each one's got its individual power supply, so you can switch, you can turn it on and off.
Different settings,
Yep.
you can have one hotter than the other. All right, so we're back. This is the new Metro hamster cage, right? Isn't that? We put a little wheel in there.
We just took the wheel out for today, that's all.
Okay, what do we got?
So these are just some different options with the heated shelves. We talked about the just the regular open shelves over there earlier, and we can also buy an enclosure kit. So it has an open, same shelf, has a cap shelf that's not heated, and then sides and doors on the front and back. So that helps enclose the product. It doesn't act like a heated cabinet in there, but it keeps air, colder air that comes in from a window or something. You're going to get 6-7 degrees better temperature performance in the food with it, so it's just a little bit better performance, but it also gives you, protects you from the environment, gives the customer, if there's a customer interaction, a sense of security that nobody's been touching their food if they're picking it up in it. And you can take these and build them into different solutions. On the bottom shelf here, we're just showing a wire shelf to hold drinks or whatever, like we were talking about over there, but these heated shelves, we've never put your drinks on unless it's coffee, right? But they also come with those little feet if I wanted to use it as a countertop application and just put a simple solution on top of a counter.
Existing
and hold
space,
some
yeah.
stuff.
Yep, perfect. And is it only slide doors, or do we have some opening doors?
So yeah, these come, if you rotate that around, we'll have hinge doors on the back, which helps you with the controls to access those controls, and if the customer prefers the hinge doors on a certain side, they could do that. It always comes hinge one side and sliding on one side for these ones. Yep. And then the other feature we got on here is our power strip. If you rotate that around, usually you tuck that away a little bit, but when you get multiple shelves, you want to manage those cords. That helps you get a bunch of them into one strip and then get it into your outlet, depending on the wattage.
All right, hey Jim, this is different. Where are we at?
Well, let's step out front to talk a little more. You can't hear us too good in here.
What's this?
So these are also our heated shelves, but they're configured and ordered as a pickup station. So we have different ones. This happens to be a customer order pickup station where you would load it in from the backside, leave it there. Customer may order and then come pick up their meal, whether it's prepaid or they go pay at the counter and just come and I'm Carl. I come grab my meal and I'm on my way, and the next one comes in. We also do some that they don't have the divided cases, so it's a big open thing that could be more like a grab and go for a school or something like that. But it's basically our heated shelves. We've got enclosures, once again, it's secure, more secure feeling for the customer, but it's also a more basic solution where it's not super costly with locking doors and software. It's a cost-effective way to get into this type of serving or ordering type of thing.
Awesome.